Welcome to Maria's Indian Adventure. Today I'm going to show you how easy it is to install the lock and load wheel chocks from Lock and Load. We have two humongous bikes that we're trying to fit into a 7x16 trailer, and here's all the parts that came for both wheel chocks. So first, we pull the bike and place it to where we want it to be. Then we put the plate down and drill it with using a small drill bit to see if it hits any of the joist, yep. And it did. So then we have to measure the distance between these two holes here, which is 6 inches, and we have to move it 2.5 inches out. After that, we are going to use a 3/4 of an inch drill bit to drill the holes for the plates. It's actually 3/8, not 3/4, 3/8 drill bit. Then we'll have to put the plate and align the holes and bolt it down using this, the one with the big washer. Square in. Uh-oh. That's tight. That's tight. Redo. There you go. Now we're gonna go underneath and put this up and tighten it. Yes, that's it. Where is the nut? And that's it. It is secure. We separated the nut from the quick release handle and we slip it inside to where it should be secure. And that should be right there. Then we align the Chock base holes to it. And then basically twist this on to secure it. So there was no sliding it out. You have to basically undo this from the bolt and then you can lift it if you don't want the wheel chock base in. And that's it. So now we're gonna pull in my big bike and see how it looks. And it's secure. Now we have to put in the D-ring to secure the back portion of the bike. Now that we have both the Chief Classic and the Challenger in onto their front, the wheel chock, now we have to determine where to put the D-ring for the back straps. So we're using the back strap to determine where our holes would be for the D-ring, and I determined that to be a good place. We pre-drill with a smaller hole to determine whether there's joist in here, and it was, so you can see it was originally meant for here, and then we have to adjust. So now that we know there's nothing down there, do our 3/8 drill bit and drill the bigger hole. So we put the plate in, place this, the D-ring assembly, put the nuts on the hole, the bolts. Make sure the square goes in so it's flat. And then we put these nuts in the bottom. And I attach the quick release clip to this using the brass colored nut and bolt. So what we did is that I'll just put it on as such and then try to see how it should be oriented, and it should be oriented this way. So it should be that, like that, touch that way. So we're gonna put this in, and the bolt, the nut. Like that, and then tighten it up. So it could latch. Like that. And attach it to your bike. Adjust the tension. Make sure it's tight but not too tight, because these are self-adjusting, so when it bounces, it would tighten. As it loosen, it would tighten. Loosen, it would tighten. Like a seat belt in a car. To attach the front tire strap to secure the front tire. And the strap came with the box. And so what we do is just, we figure out the length first. We go over to the middle of the tire. Then we latch it here. Then we latch it on the other side. And then we crank it. Latch it in on the other side and start cranking. That's it. Tighten up. It's all secured, so off we go. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe.